Good evening, viewers. Welcome to my channel, Census 2027 Learning Hub. So, in our last video, we have seen that the government is moving towards a faster, highly efficient digital reality. This drastically reduces errors, speeds up processing time, and means the crucial data can actually be put to work for the country much sooner than in previous decades that we have already discussed. So, our section 5. Finally, Section 5, Shaping India's Future from Massive Data to Daily Lives. As we talked about at the very beginning, without this data, governance is basically just guesswork. But with reliable, updated census data, the government knows exactly where to allocate resources. They know exactly where a high neighborhood has popped up that desperately needs a school. They know where to plan new hospital infrastructure, where specific areas require improved road networks, and where to expand public transport. It's the absolute core evidence needed to guide social welfare policies so they actually reach the people they are intended for. Because at the end of the day, behind every massive statistic and digital dashboard is a real person. Every number represents a real family and a real aspirations for a better life. This isn't just some bureaucratic core, it's the very foundation of ensuring fair representation and effective services for every single citizen. Okay, I love this quote. When India counts its people, it is actually preparing for the future of more than a billion dreams. This immense logistical effort is truly a national mission to deeply understand the realities of India today so we can adequately prepare for our collective tomorrow. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this thought to ponder. Knowing what you know about the sheer power of this data, how exactly will the fresh 2027 numbers reshape the hospitals, the schools, and the democratic representation in your very own neighborhood? Keep an eye out for the upcoming census and is as always keep asking great questions. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like my channel for more such videos.